Hi, I'm Sherry Fields with Berkshire Hathaway, Montana Properties, and I'm about to go over the 20 most important questions that you should ask before you even think about engaging a realtor, whether you're buying or selling your home. Sometimes I get questions from sellers like, is it worth it to repair a deck before I sell my home? And then I have to question them why they need to know that. And often it's the case that they're worried about putting more money into the house that they may not make on the sale of the house. So it comes down to a question of, do you want to sell your home in the quickest possible way, or do you want to sell your home for the highest dollar? Those are basically the two choices that a seller has these days. I can tell you that repairing a deck is an added feature for a home that does make it more desirable. Sometimes, though, the expenditure, if the deck was one of those permanent decks like Trex, where something has gone wrong either with the footing or the boards have cupped, that it might be more expensive than the homeowner wants to pay. So in those cases, it's always advisable to get a quote on what those kinds of repairs might entail. That way the seller is going into his negotiations for the sale with his eyes wide open, so that if a buyer comes back to him and asks for a lower price, say, based on that deck or the basement that's only half finished or some other part of the house that they feel they can't take on, they know why the amount that's been offered is less. Hi, it's Sherry again. Thank you for watching. And if you want all of the 20 videos in the series, just go to my website, sherryfieldsrealestate.com/20 questions. You'll get immediate access and a bonus cheat sheet so that you can save them.